A gentleman came by my house to replace a door. We got to talking and he told me, I'm going to need double hip replacement surgery. I don't know if I could do it. He said, what do you do, Mark? I said, I do reverse mortgages. Talked to a guy one time. Doesn't sound too promising. I said, tell me your story. And he did. Then he interrupted me and said, but I had a bankruptcy a little bit ago. Will that stop me? I said, have you been making payments on your agreement? And he said, yes, I have, of course. I said, I think we have a possibility here. Looked at his numbers. We just talked about it. I said, I think you could put your house into a reverse. Maybe I have $125,000 in a line of credit. Would that help? He goes, would that help? If I could retire my mortgage, I could retire. And my wife as well. We're going to be talking. If you'd like to talk, see what perhaps this could do for you, my number is, get ready, 720-206-4539. My name is Mark. I'm the owner of Remarkable Mortgage.